Hi, welcome to the channel NCRT Maths Tutor. In this video, we are going to learn Class 10 Mathematics, Chapter 5, Arithmetic Progression, Exercise 5.2, question number 7, 8 and 9 solution. Question number 7, find the 31st term of an arithmetic progression whose 11th term is 38 and the 16th term is 73. In this question, we need to find the 31st term and they have given 11th term as well as 16th term. First, let us write the given data values. 11th term is 38, so A11 is equal to 38. 16th term is 73, A16 is equal to 73. And here we need to find A31. To find the term, we have the formula nth term of an arithmetic progression an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This formula we have to apply to find the solution. First here they have given A11 is equal to 38. So here n value is 11. Let us substitute this value in this formula. Then we get A11 is equal to a plus n is 11, so 11 minus 1 into d. That is A11 is equal to a plus 10d. Here we know A11 is equal to 38, so we can write this is equal to 38. Similarly, A16 is equal to 73. Now here you put n as 16 in the formula, so we get A16 is equal to a plus 16 minus 1 into d. A16 is equal to a plus 15d and A16 is 73, so this is equivalent to 73. Now here we got two equations. Equation 1 is a plus 15d is equal to 73 and equation 2 is a plus 10d is equal to 38. You can take any one as equation 1 and 2, anything you can take, either this equation or either this equation, whichever is convenient. Now let us perform the subtraction. A minus a 0, 15 minus 10d, 15d minus 10d gives 5d is equal to 73 minus 38 gives 35. So d is equal to 35 divided by 5, 5 sevens are 35, so d is equal to 7. Next you put this common difference d value in any one of these equation. I am taking here equation 2, so put d is equal to 7 in equation 2. Equation 2 is a plus 10d is equal to 38. Let us substitute here d is equal to 7, so a plus 10 into 7 is equal to 38. A plus 70 is equal to 38. A is equal to 38, take this 70 to right hand side, that becomes minus 70. A is equal to 38 minus 70, so A is equal to minus 32. Now here we got the value of common difference, D is equal to 7, A is equal to minus 32. And in the question they have asked us to find the 31st term. So we know even the n value, n is equal to 31. Let us substitute all these values in the formula. We have the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here n is 31, so a31 is equal to a is minus 32 plus n minus 1, 31 minus 1 into 7 is equal to minus 32 plus 30 into 7 is equal to minus 32 plus 30 into 7 is 210. So 210 minus 32, answer is A31 is equal to 178. So the 31st term of an arithmetic progression A31 is equal to 178. Question number 8. An arithmetic progression consists of 50 terms, of which third term is 12 and the last term is 106. Find the 29th term. First let us write the given data values. See, they have given the arithmetic progression consists of 50 terms. So totally there are 50 terms. That means here n is equal to 50. And also they have given third term is 12. So A3 is equal to 12. And the last term is 106. Last term means here it is an. So last term is equal to an is equal to 106. But in the beginning they have given the arithmetic progression consists of 50 terms. So n is 50 here. So an means here A50 is equal to 106. And we need to find A29, 29th term of the arithmetic progression. First here, let us use the given values. They have given A3, third term is equal to 12. So here, n value is 3. So let us use this formula, nth term of arithmetic progression, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here n value I am taking as 3. So we get a3 is equal to a plus 3 minus 1 into d. A3 is equal to a plus 2d. A3 is 12, so this is equivalent to 12. Similarly, we know here A50 is equal to 106. Substitute n as 50 in the formula, so we get A50 is equal to a plus 50 minus 1 into d. A50 is equal to a plus 49d. And A50 is equal to 106. So this is equivalent to 106. Now here we can see two equations. One is A plus 49D is equal to 106. And another equation is A plus 2D is equal to 12. So let us name this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. You can take any equation as 1, even you can take this as 1 and this as 2, whichever is convenient, in that way you can do. A minus A gives 0, 49D minus 2D, 47D, 106 minus 12, 94. D is equal to 94 divided by 47, so 47 ones, 47 twos are 94. Common difference value we got here, that is 2 here. Next you substitute this common difference value in any one of these two equations. I am taking here equation 2, a plus 2d is equal to 12. Put here d is equal to 2. So a plus 2 into 2 is equal to 12. A plus 4 is equal to 12. A is equal to 12 minus 4. So a is equal to 8. Now we got the first term a as 8, common difference d as 2, and we need to find the 29th term, so n is equal to 29. Next let us use the formula nth term of arithmetic progression, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here 29th term we need to find, so a29 is equal to a is 8, 8 plus n is 29, 29 minus 1, d is 2 into d. So A29 is equal to 8 plus 28 into 2. So A29 is equal to 8 plus 56. So A29 is equal to 64. The 29th term of an arithmetic progression is 64. Question number 9. If the third and the ninth terms of an arithmetic progression are 4 and minus 8 respectively, which term of this arithmetic progression is 0? First here, let us write the given values. Third term and ninth terms of an arithmetic progression are 4 and minus 8. So, A3 is equal to 4, A9 is equal to minus 8. Which term of this arithmetic progression is 0 means here we need to find the value of n and they have given an is equal to 0. Which term of this arithmetic progression is 0? The term is 0 here, so an is 0 here and we need to find the n value here. First, let us use the formula nth term of an arithmetic progression, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. First here we know A3 is equal to 4. So Substitute n as 3 in this formula, then we get here a3 is equal to a plus 3 minus 1 into d. a3 is equal to a plus 2d. a3 is 4, so a plus 2d is equal to 4. Similarly, a9, take n as 9, so a9 is equal to a plus 9 minus 1 into d. a9 is equal to a plus 8d, and a9 is minus 8, so a plus 8d is equal to minus 8. Now you take these two equations. I am taking this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. a plus 2d is equal to 4, equation 1, and this as equation 2. Now let us perform the subtraction. So a minus a, 0, then 2d minus 8d. This is bigger number, so we get here minus 6d. Then 4 minus 8. See, already you have here minus 8. Then we are performing subtraction. Then minus becomes plus. So 4 plus 8 gives 12. D is equal to 12 divided by minus 6. D is equal to minus 2. Next here we got the common difference here. Substitute this common difference in any one of these equations. I am taking here equation 1, a plus 2d is equal to 4. Here put the d value minus 2. So we get a plus 2 into minus 2 is equal to 4. A minus 4 is equal to 4. A is equal to 4 plus 4. A is equal to 8. Now we got the first term a as 8 and the common difference as minus 2. And also in the question they have given which term of this AP is 0. Means an is 0 here and n value we need to find. So that's why let us say that now nth term of the arithmetic progression is 0. So that means an is equal to 0. First here we are making the assumption that let us say the nth term of the arithmetic progression is 0. That means an is 0. So we know these values. Just substitute these values in the formula. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here an is 0. A is 8. N minus 1. N value we need to find. D is minus 2. 0 is equal to 8 minus 2 into n minus 2n minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2. 0. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 minus 2n. Bring this minus 2n to left hand side. That becomes plus 2n. 2n is equal to 10. N is equal to 10 by 2. So n is equal to 5. That means the fifth term of the arithmetic progression is 0. N is equal to 5 is the answer. This is about question number 7 to 9 solution. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Also click the bell icon to get regular notification. Thanks for watching.